In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn the Outlook New Message Alert pop-up on or off. If you use Outlook a lot, you've probably seen that little notification window that appears in the corner of your screen whenever a new email arrives. For some people, it's really useful because you can quickly see who emailed you and decide whether it's important. For others, it can be distracting, especially if you're trying to focus or present your screen in a meeting. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to enable or disable those new email alert pop-ups and explain a few things to watch out for along the way. First, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the main Outlook window where you can see your inbox. Along the top, look for the menu called File and click on it. This will open the Backstage view, which is where Outlook keeps most of its account and settings options. On the left-hand side of this view, find and select Options. A new Outlook Options window will appear. This is where you can customize how Outlook behaves. In the list on the left of this Options window, click on Mail. You'll now see a long list of settings related to composing, sending, and receiving messages. Scroll until you reach the section called Message Arrival. Here's where you control the new message alerts. Look for the checkbox that says something like Display a desktop alert. When this box is checked, Outlook will show a pop-up notification whenever a new email comes in. If you want to turn the alerts on, make sure this box is checked. If you want to turn them off, simply uncheck it. While you're here, you'll probably also notice other options, such as playing a sound or briefly changing the mouse cursor when messages arrive. These can be adjusted the same way. Check them if you want that behavior. Uncheck them if you don't. Once you've made your changes, go to the bottom of the window and click OK to save and close the settings. Your new preferences take effect immediately, so the next time an email arrives, Outlook will either show or not show that pop-up, depending on what you chose. Keep in mind that Windows system notifications can also affect what you see. If Outlook alerts don't appear even when they're enabled, you may need to check your system notification settings later. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn the Outlook New Message Alert pop-up on or off.